Hello, Primary 6. Today we're going to be doing a grammar lesson all about onomatopoeias. Now, later in the lesson, you'll need pen or pencil and a bit of paper. So if you want to go and get that just now, you can press pause and go and get it, or we can just get started and you can get it later on. So, to start with, we'll do a learning intention and success criteria. Our learning intention is to identify and use an onomatopoeia. And our success criteria has 2 bullet points today. First one, I can state what an onomatopoeia is and give examples. And the second one, I can use an onomatopoeia in a sentence. So we're going to start off with a PowerPoint. I'll talk you through it, and then towards the end we'll do a little written task and we'll see how you get on. So here is a PowerPoint. Onomatopoeia. An onomatopoeia, the word onomatopoeia comes from 2 Greek words. It literally translates to a name, translate as name I make. So thinking about that, does it give you a clue about what it means? In blue here we can see it says onomatopoeia are words that imitate or copy the sound they describe. I like to just call it a sound word. Now here are a few examples. Say these examples out loud. Can you hear how they copy the sound they are describing? So here we have a balloon that would pop. That would be the onomatopoeia. Pop is describing the sound. Buzz for the wasp, bang for the door, hiss for the snake, and drip for the tap. So each of those words are onomatopoeias. So here are some other onomatopoeias. Now, the words in the middle, in bold, are what they're describing. So we've got water, collisions, animals, voices and air. The small words round about are the onomatopoeias to describe that word, because there's always more than one onomatopoeia. So for water, the onomatopoeias could be drizzle, splash or drip. Animals, we have cheep, oink and meow. Voices, giggle, growl, chatter. Air can swish, gasp or swoosh. And for a collision we could have clink, thud or crash. Now each of those words make us think of something different. So here we're going to match the onomatopoeias. So in bold at the top, water, animals, voices in the dark colours. Those are the words we're describing, and the light blue ones at the bottom are all different onomatopoeias that you can move around to decide which one matches best. I'll give you a wee minute to do that, and then we'll click and you can see the answers. If you need more time, you can pause it. So let's see. So as you can see, underwater we've got splish and dribble, animals purr, bat and neigh, and the voices grumble and babble. I quite like the word babble, quite like what the noise a little baby would make. So on to the next slide. So here are a few sentences. So we're going to read each sentence and see if we can spot the onomatopoeia. Okay, which brings us back to our success criteria. I can state what an onomatopoeia is and give examples. So we are going to find the onomatopoeia. So the first one, the train spluttered to a halt. Alright, did you think of it? Spluttered. Try the next one. The ribbits of the frog could be heard from the ponds. Now think, what's the sound word? Oh, ribbits. The Birds chirped merrily in the trees. What is the sound? What sound are the birds making? Yep, chirped. Now there's two in this one, see if you can spot them. A breeze wafted by as we sat by the crashing waves. Alright, so there's a word describing the breeze, the noise the breeze made, and a word describing the noise the waves made. So we have the wafted and crashing for the waves. Rebecca gasped with horror. What is the sound that Rebecca's making? She gasped. We heard the bells jingle on the roof on Christmas Eve. What sounds are the bells making? Jingle sound. Well done if you managed to get those. So, why use an onomatopoeia in our writing? Using an onomatopoeia can add meaning or dramatic effect to your writing. For example, think about the different image you get in your head for the following sentences. Now, as you can see, there's 4 sentences. They're all pretty much the same, apart from the last word, which is an onomatopoeia, has been changed. So let's have a read. First one.